Welcome to our facility. Today I'll show you the complete journey from a white bull to premium leather, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind the scenes factory documentaries.
Heart rate is strong and steady, looks very healthy.
Agreed. Coat condition is excellent.
Heart rate is strong and steady.
He's been eating well this week.
Leather is produced from animal hides, which are obtained as a byproduct, rather than the primary purpose of cattle production.
Leather is produced from animal hides, obtained as a valuable byproduct, rather than the primary purpose of cattle production.
See this blemish here? It's minor, but noted. Right, understood. The overall quality is acceptable. Let's move it.
Every stage is carefully controlled to achieve the required strength, flexibility, texture, and finish. Once the leather is ready, skilled craftspeople turn each carefully cut piece into a finished product. Once the leather is ready, skilled craftspeople turn each carefully cut piece into a finished product. Once the leather is ready, skilled craftspeople turn each carefully cut piece into a finished product. Every finished product is carefully checked before leaving the facility.
And that's the journey from the white bull to finished leather products. TABE, from the beginning of the process to the final craftsmanship.